How to install Google TV app from Android phone. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can install Google TV application from Android phone. The apps like Google TV comes pre-installed on your device as system apps. These apps cannot be fully installed but often can be disabled to stop them. If you would like to install the application, first find the application on your home screen and then once you find it, long press on the application until you see this pop-up. In this pop-up, here you'll be able to see the install option. Simply tap on it and then a pop-up will appear at the very bottom. Here now you will need to confirm by tapping on the OK option. By doing so, the app will get installed. If in case you are not able to see the install button, then you will need to disable it. For that, you will need to go to the device settings. Scroll down from the top of your screen and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen to go to the settings page. Now here you will need to scroll to find the application option. Once you locate the application option, simply tap on it to open it. And inside, now find the Google TV application. You may also tap on the search icon at the top right with the 3 horizontal bars and then search for Google TV application, and once you find it, simply tap on it to open it. Now inside it, here at the bottom you'll be able to see different icons. Here you'll be able to see the install button. Simply tap on it and then confirm it. If in case you didn't see this option, in order to disable the application, you may also tap on the disable option or the first stop option to immediately stop the operation. Since I could see the install button, here I'm going to tap on this install button at the central button below. Once you tap on it, a pop-up will appear here. Tap on the OK to confirm the action. Now wait for a few seconds and then you will see you have successfully installed Google TV application from Android phone. So by following these steps, you should be able to remove, disable or uninstall Google TV application on your Android phone. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.